News Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
We're waking up to a chilly morning, but even though we're in the middle of January, in the dead of winter, we're expecting temperatures to rise up to the 80s later this week. I'll pinpoint exactly when in just a moment, but regardless of whether you're closer to the coast or closer inland, it is a beautiful day out there right now. And just a reminder, you're already starting to feel just how dry the air is, so this is your reminder to lather on the moisturizer today, maybe stay hydrated, and if you got hair like mine, definitely wear some extra hair product because it is still going to be windy out there. Also, wearing layers will be key, especially over the next few days. I'll show you why in just a moment in our 7-day, but a warming trend is expected because we are still seeing that Santa Ana pattern across the region. This is a live look at Alpine right now. It is warming up to 61 degrees with northeasterly winds at 41 miles per hour, so the winds are definitely starting to pick up across the mountains, and this is a look at the wind gusts. Currently, you can see it's already starting to whip, especially near Still Hill, close to hurricane level force at 72 miles per hour. Also in Big Black Mountain, approaching hurricane level strength at 74. These are the relative humidity levels right now, so you'll notice it's going to be a lot drier the closer you are to the mountains. 15% over in Escondido, 18 in Ramona, but along the coast, it is going to be more normal, especially near Oceanside and downtown San Diego. We are waking up to chilly conditions right now, 37 degrees over in Mount Laguna and closer to the upper 50s and lower 60s along our coast. But as we progress throughout the day, we are warming up to 71 degrees. We are just about 5 degrees above average for this time of year, but the closer we get to midweek, we are going to be 10 to 15 degrees above where we normally are. Inland is going to be just a couple degrees warmer today, and taking a look across the rest of the county, you can see areas like El Cajon is going to be 74 degrees. Campo will be cool at 61 degrees. So this is a look at the big picture. This high pressure system is what's bringing any chance of rain or clouds up to the north, and eventually it's going to settle down in the desert southwest. But for now, it's clearing conditions out. It's also giving us the return of that Santa Ana pattern. And as zooming in, that high wind alert will set to expire later today. So that wind advisory inland, and then the high wind warning closer to the mountains with gusts of up to 70 miles an hour is expected to lift by later today, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to disappear. Over the course of the 7 days along the coast, you can see conditions are going to stay relatively mild, but as we go inland, you can see just the temperature difference. So this is the reason why I said it might be a good idea to wear some extra layers, because take a look at Wednesday, 50 to 81 degrees, a 30-degree difference between the overnight lows to the afternoon highs. So it's going to be a pretty dramatic temperature change, and over in the mountains, you can see a variety in sky conditions. It is going to be windy over the next couple of days. It's going to get sunny, and then eventually the clouds will return. And finally, over the desert 7-day forecast, you can see those temperatures will top out at 79 degrees by Thursday.
Skycam Views, sponsored by Carlsbad Solar.